Hey everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be doing another Halloween makeup tutorial. So I'm going to try my own twist on that trend of the paintbrush mark across my face. So hopefully this turns out. I haven't tested it yet. So it's a good time to play with the new Wet n Wild paint palettes. As you can see, there's some missing because I tried something and it didn't work. Hopefully I can figure it out for next Halloween. There's one that I want to do that's probably requires some prosthetics because the character doesn't have a nose. So I tried it, it'll look kind of weird. So yeah, we'll see next year. Or maybe later, like it doesn't have to be Halloween, you know. Right, first thing I want to do, I've had this makeup on, I did a tutorial about all this, so if you're interested, go check that out. But I've had this on for a little while, so I'm going to fix around where my glasses were. Just with my beauty blender. I didn't even get it wet again or anything. It's still kind of wet from earlier. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this eyebrow pencil. This is just the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. You can use any one you have. Just because this is a lighter color. It's not as dark as a black eyeliner, and it's not... I tried this with a white eyeliner and it didn't really go well with the paint, so I think a brow pencil will be the best. And I'm just going to trace out the shape that I'm going to put on. I think I'm going to start... Did they go up to the hairline? I don't remember. And I do want to get part of my nose and my mouth in this because I am going for a leopardy kind, and I want to make my nose and like top lip and everything kind of like a leopard. Taking it across my nose. And bringing it down on this side. A little bit over, so I still have that contour and highlight in there. And taking that down my chin, and then maybe straight down here. And ending it kind of at a point there, just so I have some lip in and some out. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take a makeup wipe. If you're going to do this from scratch, you probably don't need to do this, just don't do this eye, you know. But since I've had this makeup on, I'm going to just remove that part. I think I'm going to keep my brow in eye makeup, maybe? Question mark. Right, I mean, you probably don't have to take off all of it, but it just helps. The paint that I found, or the paint that I'm using, goes on better if you don't have makeup on underneath of it. So, alright, so I'm going into this Wet n Wild paint palette, and it's the Neutrals one. Looks like this. And I'm taking the shade, I guess this one, top one in the middle. I have a pack of these, the cheap e.l.f. eye makeup brushes, so I'm taking this one. It's called the eyeliner brush, and it just has a flat edge, so I'm going to be able to outline it, and then I will, actually, you know what, maybe I should outline it with the brown. Yeah, it's probably a better idea. take this Wet n Wild flat eyeshadow brush and go into that, the lighter color. A little bit later. These palettes are surprisingly easy to work with, so glad about that. Because expert at body painting I am not. I just wouldn't use these as eyeshadow because I tried it before and it creased. I'm going to take a smaller brush, this is a smaller Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, and clean that up a little bit because it kind of looks a little messy. Done the best I can for not being able to see. I think that's the way to do it, is just take the brush and go straight down. And now I'm going to attempt to powder this. I haven't tried that yet, so we'll see how this goes. I think I'm going to take this small brush. This is really the highlighting brush, but yeah, we're going to see. Okay, that actually worked somewhat. Surprise. Right now I'm taking this eyeliner. It's just a regular black eyeliner from e.l.f. Trying to find my mirror. And now I'm going to do the nose. So, I just realized this is probably not going to come off, so I'm going to have one black nostril. That's great. Oh no, this is starting to look like a deer versus a leopard. Whiskers, duh, okay. No, that's it. And I'm going to draw a line down. And then, that. I'm going to kind of going that way. I'm coloring this part a little bit. How do whiskers go? Like this, this, this? Sure. Looks great. Oh, I forgot. I'm going to take this and fill in my brow. To probably regret using the spoolie for this, but I'm going to spoolie through to blend so it doesn't look like I just colored it, you know. It looks like my brows black. And I kind of got it outside of that, but whatever. Now for the spots, I kind of think that maybe this is an eyeliner sponge smudger. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. Like I said, I didn't test this before I started. So I'm going to go in with the gray in this palette. There's not a black in it. I don't know if I have one of these with black in it or not. But I'll try that. Okay. This is totally like not representative of any certain large cat. It's just whatever. If you want to go for realisticness, use a reference photo because I'm gonna help. Also, I don't think they have spots on their face. Duh. But then you couldn't tell what it is if they didn't have the spots, you know? Like I said, not going for realisticness. But I feel like at this point you see where I'm going with it. If you just plain dots here and there. The sponge is starting to mix with the colors that I had on. But I think that's pretty good. You can definitely tell that I forgot to pluck my eyebrows. That's great. So yeah, let me show you my glasses off. Hopefully this didn't mess up that. Nah, not really. Here's the finished look. I'm not an expert at body paint or special effects or anything, but this is just me messing around. So if you want to try it, let me know. Tag me on Instagram or Twitter or whatever. It's just at Azkaland. And if I've seen quite a few people do this kind of a look, like well done like a devil on the inside, or like I don't even know what else, but I don't know who invented it. I mean, if you know who started this, let me know so I can credit them, tag them, and everything. I've only seen like Makeup by Jack, I think, on Instagram, and like one or two other people doing it. So yeah, I don't remember exactly. So I'm not trying to steal anybody's idea. This is just me messing around. I'm not like claiming this as a greatly original thing, but I haven't seen personally anybody do like a leopard thing. So let me know what you think. I know it probably looks bad, but just, you know, be nice. And anyways, that's about it for this video. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, or if you want to see any more looks, if you have any ideas that I can use those Wet n Wild paint palettes with. I'm pretty sure I have every single one of the paint palettes, so if you have any ideas, let me know. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.